Hey guys, Justin with Unfadeable Wraps. Hey, I about got this KRX finished up, and I got one last panel to do, and there's a crossbar that was professionally installed, and the customer had asked me to leave it, and I wanted to show you how I'm about to tackle this. I am going to flip the camera around so you can see here. I'll show you what I'm dealing with. You see here, the bar actually goes onto this panel here, and I was showing the customer that I wanted to make a slice on the panel right here where the bar is. And so what I did was I measured the distance from here to where this hole is, which is 10¼ inches, and then I measured the circumference of that bar there, which was 1¼ 1½ I can't remember exactly. And then I'll show you guys. I actually pre-cut the hole on this to the exact size of the bar, and then I made the slice here on the panel, and that way the panel just slides right over that, exactly where it's supposed to go. So that's the dry fit. Showing you guys how that's intended to fit over there, and I'll show you guys the finished piece. Hopefully it turns out about as perfect as it can. Hey guys, wanted to show you the finished result. I decided to use Rapid Tac to lay that panel down wet because I couldn't risk ripping it or stretching the panel at all, and that was definitely the right process to use. I want to show you the finished result. The customer is going to be very happy with the way that this turned out. As you can see, you can't even tell that I had to work around that bar at all. But I'm going to let this panel dry out a little bit, and then I'll come back and heat this down once it dries out. And I'm going to go work on the other side, and then this wrap will be truly unfadeable.